Alright guys, it takes a good 5 years, at least 5 years to get under your belt, to get anywhere near good to cleaning. Unless you like naturally did this when you were younger at home or something, or you have the natural ability to do this. It's kind of like artwork. So when my son would teach me how to draw, which I still am not good at it, but he was really good. It's like speaking another language. So when he would draw, he would help me to see what he would see. Same thing with cleaning. You want others around you, can't get this mop up, to show you how to see what they see. So for example, let me think. All right, I'll deal with this after. So under this bed, I just got under here, but there was a lot of dust. I mean, I already knew to do that. But there's little things sometimes that you wouldn't think of. All right, let's go over here. So obviously having the sink cleaned out, the stove, microwave. So I went in the bathroom. I got this. Something that is important is to get around here. I took a brush, got around here. When you do a shower, you want to wash all the walls and then you want to wipe them. You don't really want anything wet. What else? So I'm learning as I go all the time. Make sure drawers are empty. Even, you know, some people will vacuum out a drawer. Just make sure they're empty. This, I would probably have a lamp in here if it was my Airbnb, so that someone can be in this closet and can read or write or whatever they need. Let me see. Okay, so I already knew this, but somebody put a wet pillowcase on the bed, which you're not supposed to do. You don't want anything wet on a bed. So I'm going to go down here, and you guys can come with me. Let me see. And I'm going to check the laundry, because what I had to do was I had to put the laundry in first to make sure everything's timed right. Towels, bedding, and it's right down here. It was already in the wash. Let's see how much longer I have. So 13 minutes. So I'm going to check on this. Something I learned today with Airbnbs. Usually what would happen is people would do the laundry and bring it to an Airbnb when I did it. But I'm doing the laundry myself today. So yeah. So just little things you pick up as you go along.